Main features are Richard Mille RM3303 Automatic in carbon TPT is a high-performance, ultra-luxury timepiece that blends innovative materials with a sleek, round case design, a departure from the brand's signature tonneau shape. Introduced in July 2025, it succeeds the RM3302, offering enhanced complexity while maintaining ergonomic excellence. Case 41.7 mm diameter by 9.7 mm thick, crafted in carbon TPT with a 5N red gold caseband, also available in full grade 5 titanium. Carbon TPT, known for its layered, damascened finish, provides exceptional lightness, scratch resistance, and a unique visual pattern. The tripartite case, secured by titanium spline screws, features polished and satin finishes for contrast. Dial, skeletonized, showcasing the RMXP3 caliber. Features 18K 5N red gold numerals mounted on titanium rails hovering above the movement, and a black PVD-treated titanium date disc at 5 o'clock. A small second subdial at 6 o'clock adds a rare traditional complication for Richard Mille, enhancing the dial's dynamic aesthetic. Movement, skeletonized automatic RMXP3 caliber 3.28 mm thick with an off-center monoblock platinum microrotor for efficient bidirectional winding. The movement, mounted on ceramic ball bearings, operates at 3 Hz, 21,600 vibration per hour with a 40+ hour power reserve.